Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to tonight presentation. My let's me introduce myself. My name is Abdul Kohar with name 1914 4001. I am from Instrumentation Refinery 2B. Today I will present about control valve. Next. What is a control valve and what is the function of the control valve? Next, control valve is a valve that has a function to regulate a fluid in the form of gas and liquid. The fluid flows both in the pipe and the control valve is to regulate to open or close the flow in the pipe. Next, part of the control valve. There are three important parts in the control valve, namely, one is the actuator on top of the control valve. The second is the middle positioner. And the last one at the bottom is the valve body. Next, the upper part of the control valve is an actuator whose function is to provide the driving force that control the valve position so it can do the following. Hold the valve position when against the force of the fluid flow. Provide the operation required for complete control. Can close the flow using sufficient force. Operation the movement at the desired speed. Next, the positioner function as a regulator up to down on the water instrument that enters the actuator up to a certain level according to the variable output of the instrument controller. The positioner is generally installed on the yoga seat of a control valve. The valve positioner is connected mechanically to the valve stem or valve shaft so that the control valve position can be compared with the signal commanded by the controller. The feedback link mechanic will work according to the controller command to change position period parting where the last position is generally smart positioner is use positionometer to determine position. Then the part of the body valve, the part that is directly related to determining the size of the fluid flow that enter the process. The body valve consists of a loop, sheet, gasket, and a yonder. Next, there are there are two types of work in the control valve, namely air to open and air to close. The definition of air to open itself is that the control valve is normally closed. When a pressure supply is applied, the supply will press on the diaphragm and the system plug will be pushed so that the plug and sit straight and the control valve open. Next, meanwhile, if it is air to close where the control valve is normally open. When given a pressure supply, the supply will press the diaphragm and the steam plug will be pushed so that the plug and seat collide or close together and the control valve is closed. Okay, thanks all and thanks for your attention. More or less, I upload when there is wrong word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.